While the logjam continues in Parliament, there are cracks now that seem to be appearing. A heated exchange took place in Parliament between KC Venugopal and Akhilesh Yadav as the Speaker called upon Akhilesh to speak while Congress members were raising slogans. Annoyed by this, Akhilesh Yadav said, and I quote, "Both of you have spoken, but I was not allowed to speak. You are in collusion." Santghat is the word that he seems to have used. And following this, KC Venugopal asked Akhilesh Yadav, how can he speak like that? He said, look at the high-handedness the police displayed while dealing with Rahul Gandhi. Now, this is what sources are saying, that Akhilesh Yadav responded to that comment. In exchange, he said, I do not need to learn politics from you. The House had been adjourned and the microphone switched off at the time of this incident. That's what we are picking up. So when this heated exchange took place, by that time, mics were off. What happened when the mics went off? Details on Times Now. Full details of that heated exchange between Akhilesh Yadav and KC Venugopal.
ये मुद्दा कांग्रेस समाजवादी पार्टी बीजेपी का नहीं है, ये मुद्दा युवाओं और छात्र नौजवानों का है। आपने इनको बुलवा दिया क्या? समझौता कर लिया आपने क्या? आपने क्यों नहीं बोलने दिया हमें? अध्यक्ष
आपको मैंने बोलने के लिए कहा, एक मिनट प्लीज।
नहीं, आपने समझौता क्यों कर लिया फिर?
हम लोग का बात अखिलेश जी
नहीं, छात्र नौजवान क्या केवल
अखिलेश जी एक मिनट
नहीं, अध्यक्ष महोदय ये पक्ष ठीक नहीं है। अध्यक्ष महोदय, ये युवा छात्र नौजवान हम सब पे हैं, हम सब लड़ रहे हैं उनके लिए, हम सब लड़ रहे हैं उनके लिए। छात्रों की नहीं सुनी जाएगी तो सड़कों पे आएंगे। और जो सरकार ने व्यवहार किया है, इस्तीफा तो क्या है? इस्तीफा तो जब चाहेंगे तब मंत्री ले लेंगे, सदन के बाद ले लेंगे। लेकिन सवाल ये जो छात्रों के साथ व्यवहार हुआ है, उनके हाथ तोड़े, सर तोड़ा, उनके कपड़े फाड़े, क्या बेटियों के कपड़े फाड़ेंगे आप? हम और राहुल जी थे। अध्यक्ष महोदय, हम मजबूरी में गए हैं प्रधानमंत्री के आवास पर। अगर आप सुन लेते हैं यहाँ पर तो हम नहीं जाते। क्या प्रधानमंत्री स्टेटमेंट नहीं दे सकते हैं? युवाओं के लिए आप बाहर बोल सकते हैं, सदन में क्यों नहीं बोल सकते हैं आप?
Let's go across to Pragya, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. Pragya, this is what seems to have happened. A heated exchange between Akhilesh Yadav and KC Venugopal, in which Akhilesh Yadav was offended not just by the sloganeering, but also because he felt there's some sort of an arrangement or a santghat, and that he is not being allowed to speak. He also seems to have said he does not need to learn politics from Congress party.
Well, Pratima, you're absolutely right. We all heard that. And in fact, when he came out of the house, Akhilesh Yadav downplayed the whole tiff between Congress and Samajwadi Party. And he said that this may be a lack of coordination between Congress and Samajwadi Party. But there is no difference whatsoever between Congress and SP right now. They are all the same page as far as brutality on protesting students are concerned. Having said that, Akhilesh also posed one very serious question. He said that what could I have said if not this, that there is a deal between Congress and BJP, because we were not even allowed. Is Congress the only opposition party? We are also part of the opposition and we have a right to say whatever we want to say on the floor of the House. We want to also raise the issue. When I asked him whether this is a credit war, he said there is nothing to be said about credit, but we all are concerned about students. But actually there is going to be elections in Uttar Pradesh, Swati, and this is a very high-stake battle as far as electoral politics goes. Akhilesh Yadav also understands time, and this is probably the reason why the optics becomes very important, especially at a time when he is speaking in the House on such an important issue. And this is exactly why it becomes very important for him to clarify, while downplaying the difference between Congress and Samajwadi Party. Yet he made it very clear that Congress is not the only opposition party who can speak on it and who can take credit of the Andolan that these students are doing.
But there seems to be a rift. First, the Aam Aadmi Party said that Rahul Gandhi is trying to now, turn this entire protest into a Congress protest. Questions were raised on how did Rahul Gandhi and others of the Congress got an access? How were they allowed outside the Prime Minister's residence to now this particular episode? And then Mr. Arvind Kejriwal saying, "Sab alag-alag kyun kar rahe hain? We are all fighting for the same cause." All these parties, directly or indirectly, seem to be hinting that the Congress party is trying to make use of this issue as an opportunity. Remember, for 20 days, Pragya, Rahul Gandhi didn't speak, and I don't think he even posted, otherwise he's active on social media, about Sonam Wangchuk's hunger strike. Now there are reports that he plans to go to Jantar Mantar.
sprinted into action only after looking at the success of the protesting student. In fact, they were here at the Jantar Mantar in huge number. There were clashes on the road, and this is why, Rahul Gandhi and Congress thought that this is the best way to leverage this particular movement and convert it into the Congress movement. In fact, one of the MPs I was speaking to in the parliament, Swati, he said, before Rahul Gandhi made some action on this particular incident, he said, are we losing this credit war? Because we could have well taken credit of this whole student andolan, because Rahul Gandhi was doing Chhatron Ki Goonj and he was taking up this issue. So probably this is the sentiment in
Right.
Congress, and
Politics
this is
seems
exactly
to be taking over the protest. Pragya, thank you for getting us the details. I'll keep coming back to you for more updates. Now, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi's dharna outside Prime Minister's residence took everyone by surprise. From protest site, Rahul Gandhi put out a public call for reinforcements, urging every patriotic Indian who believes students deserve justice to join his dharna. Rahul's invite was aimed at the entire opposition, but except Akhilesh Yadav, no one else RSVP'd. The rest of the opposition chose a different stage. Leaders such as Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray and Arvind Kejriwal all converged at Jantar Mantar.
দরকার হলে ককরোচের প্রোগ্রামে আমি নিজেও যাব